we have another speaker who is well known in the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for education and training, who has contributed a lot and is still contributing a lot. The Institute of Cooperative Management, Hyderabad, had identified. The speaker is Madam Vijaya Lakshmi, Additional Registrar Cooperative, Andhra Pradesh. Madam is also worked in the health department as a director, and also managing director in State Cooperative Union and State Andhra Pradesh State Cooperative Farming Federation. So, Madam Vijaya Lakshmi, welcome as a panelist. I would like to share your part of wisdom and thought on how and the Andhra Pradesh is planning to perform in post-COVID-19 as far as the cooperative training and support to training and capacity building is concerned. Madam Vijaya.
Sir, is it audible?
Yeah, very well.
So namaste to the Honorable Minister and all the dignitaries in the panel and all the participants of this webinar. Sir, is it audible, sir? Hello?
Yeah, it is audible. Please.
So namaste and good morning to all of you. Actually, in Andhra Pradesh, we have been associating very well with the ICM Hyderabad with some of our training programs like higher diploma in cooperative management to the direct recruit deputy registrars of the departmental officers and assistant registrars. And in our state, we also are conducting the member education at the society level and for departmental officers in the state cooperative union and at a regional level also. And this year, up to the pre-COVID month, that is March, we have successfully taken up the trainings to the newly appointed PIC members of the PACs, newly appointed PIC committee members in a large scale this year. That was a need of the hour. But due to this COVID situation, now a very challenging situation has arisen, and like all enlightened panelists, members and dignitaries have mentioned, I think we have to go for e-learning systems, online training for a very short period, like 3 hours or half day, and for which we have to plan to for the development of the e-learning systems and infrastructure need to be provided to all the cooperative training units. And also some videos have to be prepared and documentaries in various areas. And we have a strong credit system, and we more focus on the credit cooperatives. And we also request NCCT if you can help us in addressing the state governments, also to address the functional registrars and the and also state departments for provision of budget, because after the bifurcation of the states, we couldn't provide much budget for training. So if NCCT could also assist us in budget aspects in addressing the commissioners, and also some meetings with the conferences with the commissioners of various states also would help us to exchange our ideas. Here, with this, I would like to hand over to our NCCT Constituent Institution Director, ICM Hyderabad, Tangirala, to put some more inputs in this respect, please. Thank you, Mohan Kumar Mishra Garu, for giving me this opportunity. Tangirala, Mr. Tangirala, can you please join as you are conversant with AP activities?
Well, thank you very much, Madam Vijaya.